help me. Hey, what's good people? I'm your co-creative. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add depth and dimension to your photos using the pen tool. Yeah, the pen tool. Now if you want to go ahead and download this image and follow along, the links are in the description. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Alright, so here we are in Photoshop. I've already done frequency separation to smoothen out the skin of this model right here. I'm preparing a separate tutorial for that, so subscribe to get notified when that comes out. But today we are going to look at dodging and burning using the pen tool. So create a group and name it dodge and burn. Now we're going to create a second group and then drag it into the dodge and burn group, and then we are going to name that dodge. So dodging and burning basically is brightening and darkening stuff, and the pen tool is going to help us do that more precisely. So we are going to draw the highlights and the shadows. So in Photoshop, you select the pen tool or just press P on your keyboard and click anywhere on the image to make a point. Click and drag to make a curve. If you want a detailed tutorial on the pen tool, let me know down in the comments. If you want to create multiple paths, when you're done with the first one, hold down shift and then click, and then you can draw a second path. Just like that. Now to your right side, you have your layers, your channels and your paths. So you select your paths because that's what the pen tool is for creating paths. And then I want to change the path to a selection. Hold Ctrl and click on the icon of the path, and then you get a selection. So with the selection active, go into your adjustment layers and pick curves. In curve, select the hand icon and then select any bright part of a face, and then with your arrow keys you can nudge up the brightness of that portion of the image ever so slightly till you have two big patches on the face like that. Now select the mask in the curves properties and then select the mask of the adjustment layer itself, and then you have these two options. So we are going to toy with the feather. We are not going to touch the density. The feather controls the blur amount of the curve, right? So we are going to smoothen out our patch essentially. So that's our before and after. Now you can go ahead and do the same for all the highlights on her face. So the next thing is to burn, right? Burning simply means darkening. So we are going to follow the exact same steps, except this time when you create your path and you convert it to a selection, open curves and reduce the brightness of the image and blur out the mask. So we can take a look at the before and after of dodging and burning. Now there are other parts of the image you might want to dodge and burn, like her neck for instance. So you can always go back into your dodge and burn groups and then do the same for those areas. Now from this point on, you can go ahead and then add as many adjustments and as many filters as you want to make the image look perfect. Now usually after editing, I go back and reduce the opacity of the entire group to about 80% because it's natural to go overboard. Or sometimes you can take a break and then come back and look at the image, and most times you find that you actually went a bit overboard. Well, that was it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I'll make sure to attend to all of them. Cheers.